When investing in new vinyl windows, many homeowners focus on style, energy efficiency, and cost, but one of the most important factors is often overlooked: installation. Even the highest quality vinyl windows won't perform as expected without proper installation. For homeowners in Slidell, professional installation plays a crucial role in ensuring your windows deliver long-term comfort, efficiency, and value. One of the biggest benefits of professional installation is proper sealing. Vinyl windows are designed to be energy efficient, but that efficiency depends on how well they are installed. If gaps are left around the frame, outside air can seep in while conditioned air escapes. This leads to drafts, uneven temperatures, and higher energy bills. Professional installers take the time to ensure a tight, secure seal around every window, helping maintain a consistent indoor climate. Accurate measurements are another key factor. No two window openings are exactly the same, especially in older homes. Even a small miscalculation can result in a poor fit, which affects both performance and appearance. Experienced professionals carefully measure each opening and make precise adjustments during installation. This ensures your vinyl windows fit perfectly, maximizing their insulation and functionality. Proper insulation around the window frame is equally important. During professional installation, high-quality insulating materials are used to fill any gaps between the window and the wall. This extra layer helps block heat transfer and prevents moisture from entering your home. In Slidell's humid climate, this is especially valuable, as it helps reduce the risk of mold, mildew, and water damage. Another advantage of professional installation is correct alignment. Vinyl windows need to be level and square to operate smoothly. If a window is installed incorrectly, it may stick, become difficult to open or close, or fail to lock properly. Over time, this can lead to wear and tear or even damage to the window itself. Professional installers ensure that each window is perfectly aligned, allowing it to function effortlessly for years to come. Weatherproofing is also a critical step that professionals handle with care. Flashing and sealing techniques are used to protect your home from water infiltration and air leaks. Without proper weatherproofing, even a new window can allow moisture to enter, leading to costly repairs down the line. With expert installation, your vinyl windows are fully protected against the elements. Energy efficiency is one of the main reasons homeowners choose vinyl windows, and professional installation helps you get the most out of that investment. When windows are installed correctly, they create a strong barrier against outdoor temperatures. This reduces the workload on your heating and cooling system, helping you save on energy costs while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Noise reduction is another benefit that improves with proper installation. Vinyl windows are designed to minimize outside noise, but poor installation can compromise this feature. Gaps or misalignment can allow sound to travel into your home. A professional installation ensures a tight fit that helps keep your indoor environment quieter and more peaceful. Durability is also enhanced with expert installation. When windows are installed correctly, they experience less stress from daily use and environmental factors. This helps extend their lifespan and reduces the likelihood of issues such as warping or seal failure. For homeowners in Slidell, this means fewer repairs and greater long-term value. In addition to performance, professional installation also improves the overall appearance of your windows. Clean lines, proper alignment, and a secure fit create a polished, finished look that enhances your home's interior and exterior. This attention to detail adds to your home's curb appeal and overall value. Finally, working with professionals gives you peace of mind. You can trust that the job is done right, using the proper tools, materials, and techniques. This not only protects your investment but also ensures your home remains safe and comfortable. In the end, professional installation is essential for getting the full benefits of vinyl windows. For homeowners in Slidell, it's the key to improved performance, better energy efficiency, and lasting comfort. By choosing experienced installers, you can enjoy all the advantages your new windows have to offer for years to come.